In this video, I'm going to share with you the steps you need to take before you upgrade. So I didn't know this when I was upgrading, and then I was going to upgrade to the webinar level or plan. And I just thought to email Systeme and tell them that I had upgraded from free to startup and I want to upgrade to webinar. And I was surprised to hear they said, you know what, send us, can you confirm you want to upgrade to webinar? And we'll send you a link. And so I did confirm. They sent me a link. They made a calculation. So they basically gave me a difference. So I did annual. They gave me a difference between this and that, calculating what I had paid here, and then requesting I pay the difference, and I got almost the whole year, 275 days free, almost a whole year free. And so my subscription will start after I have completed my 275 days. So if you want to upgrade, let's say you want to upgrade from startup to webinar or webinar to unlimited, do remember to email them, because if you don't email them, you're going to come to the website and you're going to click and pay the full price. Even though it says 30% discount here, you might end up paying the full price. But if you already have an account with them and you're still in between the timeline of your account, let's say you signed up in January and you want to upgrade in May, go to them, email support, and support will calculate the difference and then send you an invoice to make that payment. Don't just go to the website and click on it and make a payment, okay? And then that way you get a discount and you get, and they can even offer you a higher, here it says 30%, right? 30% when you do annual. But you might get 40%. You just never know. So always go to email and confirm so that you get the real deal. Okay. I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video.